Hello everyone, and welcome to part 4 of our 4-part series, Practical Considerations as You Plan. And this series I put together because I want people to know some of the things we talk about with estate planning, because a lot of people think you have to be a multimillionaire to do estate planning, and that's not true. Estate planning is really planning for your life and for your loved ones, financially, and also like where they're going to live and things like that. So today we're talking about your pets, because pets are like children. Before I had this little guy, I used to have 2 little dogs, and they were everything to me. They were like children to me. And so I know a lot of people love their animals, and we have to think about what would happen to our pets if we can't care for them, regardless if we're alive or dead. If we can't care for them, what are we going to do with our pets, and who's going to pay for that? So when you talk to an estate planning attorney, you have to think about, not only who's going to care for my pets, but how much is it going to cost? You have to estimate what you think it would cost based on the anticipated lifespan of your pets, and then think about what it would cost. And you need to set aside that money if you want to do a pet trust. So that's something that we can easily do even inside your will. We could do it in a trust, but we can also do it in your will. Or what you can do is just give a designated sum to someone and give them your dog, and just hope that they use the money for your dog. But if you're worried that they're not going to do that, or if you want to put some safeguards in place, it's better to have a trust. So who will be responsible for my animal? Will it be an animal sanctuary? Will it be a charity? Or will it be a friend or a family member? I'm reading from my blog, which I will put down below in the comment area, in the description area. Does the pet require special care or special diet? You want to make sure you set all that stuff off. What's wrong? You having a hard time with your transformer? And then, should the pets be kept together? And how do you want to deal with the remains of the pet? So these are all things you set forth ahead of time if you want. We could either set aside a person to receive the funds. We can do a pet trust inside of a will, or we can do a pet trust inside of a revocable trust. So those are the 4 steps, practical considerations as you plan. If you want to reach out to me, you could reach out to info@lorivella.com. And if you go to my website, lorivella.com, you will see I have a calendar where you can schedule a free 10-minute call with me, and you can see my intake forms. And this is really a great time when we're all at home and we all have some time on our hands to go ahead and do some necessary planning for yourselves and for your families. Remember, it's not about the amount of money you have. It's about taking responsibility for ourselves and for cleaning up our own messes. Because if something happens to us, I also do probate. If something happens to us, someone needs to come into our houses, check our mail, go through everything, trying to find all of the accounts we had, all the outstanding bills we had. And so what I want to do is help everyone put all that stuff together. So God forbid anything happens to you, someone can come in and figure out everything that needs to be done. So thank you guys so much, and I wish you all safety, health, and happiness. And I know we're all going to get through this virus situation together, and reach out if you need anything. Thank you so much. Goodbye.